Okay, students, see the fourth question, they are asking to find out relation between Kp and Kc. You know that this is a formula, no? Kp is equal to Kc RT per delta Ng. This is a formula to relate Kp and Kc. So delta Ng, what's the formula? Np minus Nr. This is a formula to find out, delta Ng, this is a formula. Okay, just remember this formula. Okay, so Np minus Nr, you find out, number of moles of product here, 2, no? Number of moles of reactant is what? 4. 2 minus 4, you get minus 2. So you substitute here. Simply remember, if delta Ng negative means always Kp is less than Kc. Okay, suppose delta Ng positive means always Kp is greater than Kc. So option, B is the correct one. Understood? Right. Suppose delta Ng is equal to 0 means what? Kp is equal to Kc. Understood? Are you following? Okay. Right. Next one. Okay. They are given what? Kc value is given. Kc is what? 48. Understood? Then one equation is given. In this equation, the concentration is also given. Okay. Predict the direction of the reaction. So predict the direction of reaction. How to find out means? So here, first the Kc value is given. No. Now we have to find out the Qc value. Qc nothing but reaction quotient. Okay. Right. It is applicable for non-equilibrium reaction. So it is a reaction quotient. So just like Kc. How we are writing Kc, just like we can write Qc also. So product concentration by reactant concentration. So concentration of Hi, understood? The whole power 2, simple. Concentration of H2, the whole power. Okay, here not whole power. Here no coefficient. No, so simply H2 only. Then concentration of what? I2. Understood? Simple. They substitute the value. Here Hi is what? Here, Hi, third value, 0.6. 0.6, understood? 0.6, whole square, understood? Okay. Then what is H2 value? H2 and I2 values are 0.2, 0.2. Simply you can substitute 0.2 into 0.2, understood? The product will be what? What's the product? If you expand this one, we get what? 0.36, understood? Right. 0.2, 0.2, 0.04. So if you multiply by, multiply by 100 means we can get what? 36 by 4. 36 by 4 means, answer we got 9. You just compare the value. Here, this is Qc, this is Kc is what? Kc value is somewhat higher, no? Kc value is higher, but Qc value is somewhat, Qc is what? 9 only. Okay, this is a condition only, just remember. If, here Qc is greater than Kc means, it's a condition. So we can say it's called reverse reaction takes place. Reverse reaction. Understood? Okay. So condition only, just remember. I write it here. If Qc, okay, Qc is greater than Kc, okay, Kc means we can say what, reverse reaction takes place. Reverse, this condition, just remember, reverse reaction takes place. Okay, understood? Okay. So here Qc is just quite opposite. Qc is less than Kc means forward reaction takes place. Forward reaction. Understood? Just remember. Okay. Suppose Qc is equal to Kc means what? Equilibrium reaction takes place. Equilibrium. So these are the conditions you should remember. Then only you can able to solve. But here in this case, whose value is higher means Kc value is higher. Kc value is higher. No. Then only we can say what? Forward reaction takes place. Understood? Right. Okay. Next one. Sixth one. 2NO2 gives N2O4 plus 60.0 kilojoule. Okay. Suppose here this value is positive means this is what? Endo. Just remember. This value is negative means this is called XO. So this is Endo means automatically this is what? XO. Understood? Okay. Now this is equilibrium. This equilibrium, this much heat is absorbed. But again, the increase in temperature. So if you increase the temperature means what happened they are asking. Okay. So increase in if you give some temperature to this system, what happened? We will take the temperature means the endothermic only take the temperature. Okay. So if the endothermic reaction takes place means what? The reaction proceeds towards the forward direction. So favor the formation of what? N2O4. This is the answer. Are you following? Plus is given means this is called endo. Automatically this is exo. But we are giving some temperature. If you give some temperature among the two, exo and endo, we will take the temperature means that endo only absorbs the temperature if you give temperature. Understood? So the forward reaction takes place. So forward means what? Favor the formation of N2O4. Okay? Right, simple one. This is based on what? Le-Chatelier principle. Understood? You know, on equilibrium reaction is given, Kc is also given, Kc, okay, right. And then the equilibrium constant for reverse reaction they are asking, okay, reverse reaction. Suppose the forward reaction Kc is given, they are asking to find only reverse reaction. So, you know, just, you know that for association equilibrium and dissociation equilibrium are inversely proportional, you know, okay. So, this is ammonia is formed means this value. Suppose ammonia is decomposed means just quite opposite. Then we can say, simply we can say, you know, Kc dash is equal to 1 by Kc. What is it? This is a formula, just remember, okay. Formation equilibrium and dissociation equilibrium are inversely, formation equilibrium constant and you know, dissociation equilibrium constant are inversely proportional, okay, right. So that is just substitute, you know, instead of this you substitute 1 by you know 0.5. So 0.5 means outright. 0.5 means outright. This is 1 by 2, no? 0.5 means. So 2 goes to numerator, it will be what? 2, answer 2. So 2 means what? B is the correct one. Are you following? Okay. So these are the 7 questions. I set only very simple question. So based upon this, you just work out. Okay. Okay. So next class, I will give the new lesson solutions. Thank you, students.